Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. When me say Real Talk TV, my viewers and subscribers, story come to bump. Story come to bump. CMR court papers release. But me want to talk to CMR. How you bright, so? How you want bright, so, brother? Let me sit down good in my chair. No, CMR. How you want bright, so? What kind of letter that you write to the judge? That what is ya? What this ya, father? CMR, what is that you write to the judge? You write this kind of letter to the judge, my viewers and subscribers. Here is the letter that CMR write to the judge. I'm going to show you all the letter where CMR write to the judge so you can read it by yourself, so you can see it by yourself for your own mental brain. Then I'll talk about it after I show you it. This is it. Look at it. Uno finish read? What is? Now, CMR. Let me ask you a few questions. What did you think of when you did write this letter? Do you think, yeah, I'm a soldier, I was a soldier? Or do you think, yeah, I own this country, or yea, I own the law of America, that I go write a letter telling the judge to not release these papers because it's affecting your child? CMR, let me say this to you. You allegedly did what you did, not the court. And let me say this to you. Me hear you talk about how the court of America. You should have known the court of America don't play around when it come on to kids. And for you, write the judge and I tell the judge how the judge must not release, and you ask the judge not to release this paper because it's affecting the child, and it go affect the child, and it go affect this, and bloggers doing, and people doing this. Let me say this to you. You never did that think. You never did that use your brain. You never did that think. In the first place, that the allegation come upon you. So now you start to think and you still not think right. Why did you write a letter like that to a judge where it concerned kids and it concerned what allegedly you did? Me still I say allegedly, you know, even though me I see all of them court paper. But CMR, you wrong for write that letter, brother. That the letter there where you write is, hold on a little bit, hold on a little bit. CMR, me said this to you. And listen, what my viewers, let me read a little bit. I am writing to respectfully, you write to a judge, said, I am writing to respectfully request that the court consider. No. Did you say the court consider placing additional privacy restriction on the case? Did you really write that to the judge? Did you really? Due to serious concern of the privacy and well-being of our family? Now, my viewers and subscribers, all of this concern of his family wasn't in his head when he allegedly done what the little girl said. Make we continue read. He says, particularly our minor child involved in this case. As a family with a public profile, like P. Diddy, Michael Jackson, who again, and all those people, I wonder if them did write a letter to the judge too. I wonder if P. Diddy family write a letter to the judge, or P. Diddy himself write a letter to the judge, say, Judge, do not let people know that I was keeping all these parties with these young people, allegedly. I wonder if P. Diddy do the same thing. Or I wonder if Michael Jackson did write a letter, says, Judge, do not let people know that they said I was allegedly touching these little people, allegedly, yeah? I want Michael Jackson to write one letter. Diddy did write a letter. And all those people did write a letter. And who him think him is? Anyway, make we carry on. We are widely recognized across various social media platforms. This case, which involved our minor daughter, has attracted significant attention with personal details circling around the public. Despite retention in the file, the public was able, meaning various social media platform and blog sites was still hold on. You never did think about this. You never did think about this when allegedly she went to the school. You never did think about that part. You never did think about that part. When, listen me good now, you wasn't thinking about that part allegedly when she said it happened first time, 2 times, 3 times, allegedly. You never did think about that. You never did think about that. And it goes on by saying a specific detail in the case this is what? Explore as subject her to target harassment. Now, hold on. What kind of target harassment? Nobody now target her. All people is doing is defending her. Be a voice for her. Nobody now talk bad about Jay away from your people. Your people is the one who is saying she lies. Your people, because you go and fix and said she lie. Affecting her mental health. Listen me now, guy. Listen me good. This letter where you write, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. So, hold on. So, what we bloggers and vloggers talking about, trying to protect her, it affecting her mental health. So, hold on. Let me ask you this, CMR. When she said you allegedly touch her inappropriately 3 times, you don't think that did go affect her mental health? Eh? You never think that did go affect her mental health? Why you think she go to school to tell the teacher what you done allegedly done to her? You don't think that was a part of affecting her mental health? Or what do you? Would I like to know what do you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Really? Let me ask you this question. Really and truly, what is wrong with you? You write this stupid ass letter, believe you have so much power, and believe you are going to try to hide what really happened, or how you really go down like you think we are idiot. Let me say this to you. If you did not protect your family, you see, you would never allegedly touch this little girl inappropriately. Remember, allegedly. If you did not protect your family, you wouldn't allegedly done what you done. Make we continue read this letter. Leading to distress within the family. Also, you say, additionally, this information in the public, our daughter is understandable, distracted and anxious as she faced not only public judgment, but also the what? The trauma of seeing sensitive detail of her life being... People me can't figure out this out there. But misinterpreted, I find I can't pronounce that word and misinterpreted. May I be honest, I can't figure out that word. That word look like sensitive. Well, we go leave that word. I think we don't see it, so we figure out that word. But me know the word we say misinterpreted. Now, let me address that part of it. Trauma. So, let me ask you this. Allegedly what she say you did to her, you don't think that's trauma? Eh? You don't think that specific thing that you do, that allegedly she say you do to her, is already trauma? Hey, listen me boy. You see this letter where you write? You only put yourself in a more trouble. You only sink yourself more, because this letter where you write prove allegedly that she was telling the truth. Yeah, allegedly she said exactly what happened. But the only reason why you get away is touching. Touching it cannot be proven. And then go take what she say and also listen what you say. And I go tell you something. I'm going to show you a little bit more something. But make we go on with this first. We kindly ask an order restricting. Hold on. We kindly ask for an order restricting the public access. Now, hold on. Listen me good. Do you listen or hear what this man write to the judge? We kindly ask for an order restricting the public access to any information about this case, including detail involving detective and any statement made by our minor daughter. I want something for drink. Voila. My viewers and subscriber, I'll get something for drink. This is how I drink. Yeah? Love them. Very nice. The pineapple orange, very nice. After reading all of this, me need a drink. I should have get some of the Jerry and Neville, but no, sir. Me can't get drunk. Back to the reading of this Papi Show letter. My viewers and subscriber, hold on. Wanna hear what me say a while ago? The man asked the court. What an intelligent fool. This man asked the court for restrict the details of what our minor daughter said. Hold on. You know what? Me start from the top. We kindly ask for an order restricting the public access to information about this case, including details involving detective and any statement made by our minor daughter. Oh, this need another drink? People never go buy a drink. I'll show you later on. My viewers and subscribers, hear the reason why him want the judge to restrict all those information. We hope to safeguard her privacy. Her privacy. Not his. Not him. Not safeguard him. CMR. Her privacy. And mitigate future harm to her and our family. This case, public status, have taken an emotional toll on all of us. That need a drink to do it. That need that drink too. My viewers and subscribers, this is not a laughing matter, but me have to laugh because of when me I read a human being, a man, a person who call himself smart. Write this letter to the judge. Make we carry on. Him said, by the way, hold on, let me go back to this emotional tool. Now, CMR, let me address that part. Allegedly, she said you touch her 3 times, don't? Allegedly. You never think you never think it gonna take an emotional toll on her, knowing that she keep something within her that allegedly you done to her. You never think it gonna take an emotional break on her. You know, think when she see you, she go so, oh Lord Jesus. Oh Lord Jesus. You don't think she think that way there when she see you, when she allegedly say you touch her 3 times, you don't think when she see you she cringe. That's emotional problem. Eh? Let me tell you something. No blogger, no vlogger, nobody no mash up your family. Nobody no put no emotional distress on your family. You put emotional distress on your family. You, not we, not us, not them. You do it to your own family. So stop blame people. Make we carry on the reading of this thing. Hold on, listen here. Particular and our daughter and the ones who involve as a minor should be protected. Thank you. Signed by... What if you say signed by? What should I say it's signed by? It's signed by no sense, no brain, no mind, stupid, foolish, no sense, C, Cushion, CMR, Carter signed that. Now, my viewers and subscribers, let we have a conversation. And this is just the first part, you know, brother. This is just about the letter. How can you write a letter to a judge telling the judge not to release the papers, the information about what allegedly she said you done to her? Now, CMR, let me help you with something. And me watch a live with you see? And you talk some things in it. That's a different video. So, CMR, what were you thinking? What were you thinking when you write this letter? And that's the reason why when you are talking about attorney and you are talking about lawyer, that's why I'm PR, that's why I know you don't have none. That's why I know you don't have none. No attorney, none. No attorney, no PR person. I will tell you if you write this. You know what them all tell us? Do not write that. If you did have a attorney, you see, well, you did a pay for. Because remember a public attorney you get. Remember a public. Remember say a public. You must say you don't have the money. If you did have an attorney and you go to the attorney and you say to the attorney, say, would I like to send out a letter to the judge, try to protect my family, the attorney would have write the letter. The attorney would have write the letter. And the attorney wouldn't write that letter. The attorney would have write the letter stating that I such and such on the behalf of the Carter family. Hey boy, what you talking? You know nothing. Go sit down. The attorney would have write the letter say, I attorney so and so on the behalf of the Carter family is asking if the court would consider holding the information on the Carter case private because of what it would do to the kids. That's what the lawyer, the attorney would write, or something very close to that. Hey boy, what do you? You know nothing? This letter where you write, tell the world. Let me talk to you. CMR, let me talk to you. This letter where you write, it tell the world something. It give the world a lot of information. It give the world a lot of evidence. It give the world a lot of information. So you see that music, that 20 record album where you make, remake it and tell the world what you really do. Allegedly. Yes. Because you believe you're smart, but you're not smart yet. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I got another piece of information coming. This one is just the letter. Them coming. This is just the letter. So on the behalf of me, myself, and I, and my new love drink. Yeah man, my new love drink. Yeah man, is that drink I like. Love that drink there. The drink is like a water. In a sweet. Yeah, it's like water, you know. Only part essential, and I think 8 essential vitamin and green tea extra in it. Yeah, nice. I like it. Yeah man, I really like it. Love to drink it too. Yeah man. Yeah man, I love drink it. Yeah, it's a nice drink. Really like it. Refreshing and nice. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye.